Hi students, this is the beginning of our second chapter matrices from Maths 1 and here we will revise some basic concepts related to matrix. We know that a rectangular arrangement of numbers is called as matrix. Let's check one example. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 7. This is a matrix. Now here we can see this is first horizontal line and this is second horizontal line, and here we will denote letter R for row, C for column. So here we can observe there are two rows. This is first row and this is second row. And column means there are three vertical lines. This is first, this is second, this is third one. So for first one C1, second C2 and this is C3. Since there are two rows, I am writing here number 2, then write down cross and then write down number of columns. There are 3 columns. So this is the matrix of order 2 by 3. Again, check one more example. So suppose this is 4 minus 2. Now we can observe there are 3 horizontal lines. So we will write here number 3. Then cross. Again there are 1, 2, 3 vertical lines means columns. So 3. So this is the matrix of order 3 by 3. Very easy. One note is that matrices are denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z and so on. So we will denote this matrix as A is equal to like this. Let's study the types of matrices, and first type is row matrix. The matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. And suppose 1, 4, 7. Now here we can observe only one horizontal line and 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So this is of order 1 by 3. Maybe there are two elements. This is 3, 2. So again one line, but there are two columns. So this is of order 1 by 2. Now second type is column matrix. The matrix having only one column is called as column matrix. Suppose this is the matrix. Now there are two rows. So I am writing here 2 but only one column. So this matrix is of order 2 by 1. Second example. So here we can observe 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows but only one column. So this is of order 3 by 1. Now the third type is zero or null matrix. Now here the matrix in which every element is 0, then it is called as zero matrix. Now check here, there are two rows and two columns. So this is zero matrix of order 2 by 2. And suppose this is the matrix. Now there are two rows and three columns. So this is zero matrix of order 2 by 3. Now next type is square matrix, means number of rows and columns are same here. So now check here, there are two rows and again two columns. So rows and column are same. So this is square matrix. Let's check another example. 2 minus 3. Now here there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So these two are same. So this is a square matrix. Next type is diagonal matrix. Now you know that if this is a square, then this is called as diagonal. So in this matrix, this is called as diagonal. So diagonal matrix means the matrix in which non-diagonal elements are 0. Now non-diagonal elements means this is 0 and here also. Now second example, suppose I am considering 3 by 3. So here 2 minus 1 and suppose 0 non-diagonal. So this is called as diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3. This is of order 2 by 2. Scalar matrix means actually the diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are same. So suppose 3, 3. These are diagonal elements and non-diagonal elements are 0. These two are same. So this is scalar matrix of order 2 by 2. Second example, suppose I'll consider minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. All non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is called as scalar matrix of order 3 by 3. Next type is unit matrix or identity matrix. Unit matrix means actually a scalar matrix in which diagonal element is 1. So suppose here I am writing this 1 1, non-diagonal element 0. So this is unit or identity matrix of order 2 by 2. And second example, this is identity matrix of order 3 by 3 and we are denoting this matrix by I3 means of order 3 by 3. This by I2 means of order 2 by 2. Next type is upper triangular matrix. Now means a square matrix. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements. So the elements below the diagonal is 0. So this element is 0. So suppose I am considering here 1, this is 2 and here 3. So this is called as the upper triangular matrix of order 2 by 2. Second, now we know that suppose here diagonal element 1 minus 2 4, here may be 0 5 3. So these are diagonal elements. Below this all elements are 0. Then this is called as upper triangular matrix of order 3 by 3. Now next type is lower triangular matrix, which is exactly opposite of this, and here every element above the diagonal is 0. Suppose this is the diagonal element and are 0. So this is called as lower triangular matrix of order 2 by 2. Second, suppose diagonal elements are 1, 3 and 7. Above the diagonal elements are 0. So these are lower triangular matrix. Now next type is symmetric matrix. Means a square matrix in which Aij equal to Aj. Suppose this is the square matrix. There are 4 elements. So I am considering these elements 1, 2. So these elements are same. These are diagonal elements. So these elements are same. Suppose this is 3, then this is also 3. So this is symmetric matrix of order 2 by 2. Consider second example, and this element is same. Suppose I am writing 4, then here also 4. Suppose I am writing here minus 5, then this should be minus 5. Here 7, then this is also 7. What is the rule? Aij equal to Aji means A12 is equal to A21. A13 equal to A31. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now next type is skew symmetric matrix. So same as this, only difference is Aij equal to minus Aji. Now let's check example. Same only example we will take here. Diagonal elements are 1, 2. If I'll take here plus 3, then here should be minus 3 of order 2 by 2. Second example, same we will take here. So diagonal elements are 1, 2, 3. If here is plus 4, then here must be minus 4. If here is minus 5, 5. If I am taking here 7, then minus 7. So this is skew symmetric matrix of order 3 by 3. Next type is singular matrix, and suppose A is the square matrix, then if determinant of A equal to 0, then this is called as singular matrix. Now suppose let this be A. So how we will find determinant of A? Consider this first element, 4 3s are 12, middle sign minus, and then again cross multiply, 6 2s are 12, that is equal to 0. So this matrix is called as singular matrix. And last type is non-singular matrix. Suppose A is a square matrix, then if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then it is called as non-singular. So same we will consider the example. Suppose this is 4. Check again, determinant of A is equal to 4 5s are 20 minus 6 2s are 12, and that is equal to 8, and this is not equal to 0, and so the given matrix is called as non-singular matrix. Now let's check how to find the determinant of a matrix. So this is our first matrix. Now we will write like this, that is equal to, now write down this in determinant. So 1 2 4 7. So check again, if this is box bracket, then it is matrix. Only if there are lines, then this is determinant. Now we have to consider this first number and then cross multiply, and so that is equal to 1 multiplied by 7 7. Then write down middle sign minus, and again multiply these two, 4 2s are 8, and 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1. By this way you have to find the determinant of a matrix. Let's take another example, and here also we will find determinant of A is equal to, and here also first we will consider this and then cross multiply. So purposely I am doing like this, so you must understand. Minus 2 ones are minus 2, then middle sign minus, then multiply this, 4 3s are 12, and so minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. Now let's take this 3 by 3 matrix, and therefore determinant of A is equal to, now you have to write these three numbers as it is, but you have to change the sign of middle number. If there is plus, then you have to write here minus. So I am writing here, this is plus 5, then write down determinant, then here plus 1, then here you have to take minus 1, and this is determinant, and then plus 2 as it is. So I have taken these three numbers, this 5 here, this 1 here, take opposite sign, and 2 here. Now in determinant what you will write? So first delete row and column in which this 5 lies, and so what is remaining? 5 minus 7 and then 1 2. So this you have to write here. Then minus 1, so you have to delete the row and column in which this 1 lies. So what is remaining? This 1 4 and then this you have to write. And 2, that means in which row and column this 2 lies, delete that. So what is remaining? And now you know how to find. Cross multiply. First consider this number. So 5 and here 5 2s are 10 minus 7 1s are minus 7. So this minus and this minus plus. So here write down minus 1, here 2 1s are 2 and minus 7 4s are minus 28 will become plus 28. Then plus 2 and here 1 1s are 1, 5 4s are 20. And now again simplify. So this is 5, 10 plus 7 17 minus, again simplify. So we have, so here this is 85. Now minus 30 and minus 38 minus 68 and again subtraction of this, that is equal to 17 is the final answer of the determinant. Now let's see how to add two matrices. So these are our two matrices and therefore A plus B is equal to, now add first element to first element, that means 2 plus 1. Now this is second element to second, so 4 plus 3. Now third one 5 and here 2 and this is my. So now simplify here. 2 plus 1 3, this is 7, this is also 7 and minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. This is the addition of these two. Now let's check subtraction of two matrices. Now here A minus B we will define as A plus minus of B. So by this way we will write first term 4 as it is and then write down minus 5, then second subtract this second one, then third one and last element, and so again simplify. So this is minus 1, 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 10 is minus 4 and 10 minus 6 is 4. Now let's see multiplication of two matrices. Now these are two matrices and therefore A multiplied by B is equal to, and now consider this first row and here consider first column. Now you have to multiply first number to first number. So I am writing again. Now here 2 ones are 2. Then write down middle plus sign. Then second number to second number. So minus 3 twos are minus 6. Finish. Now to find this second number, this only first row, now consider second column. So multiply here 2 4s are 8, middle sign plus, and then minus 3 multiply by minus 3 which is plus 9. Now next consider now second row and first column. So now here first 4 ones are 4 plus 5 twos are 10. And now to find this same second row and second column. So 4 4s are 16, then plus 5 3s are minus 15. Now just simplify, and so we have 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Now 8 plus 9 17, this is 14 and 16 minus 15 is plus 1. So this is multiplication of two matrices, and same do for the 3 by 3 matrix also.